can't wait to see what you've done for our lovely client from Indonesia who has this 3-bedroom apartment in Chelsea Powerhouse. She's put a lot of trust in us to do her property up.
Absolutely. I mean, you know, just looking behind us, you see this amazing industrial style building, and what the client wanted was mixing that style with ultra-modern contemporary feel, and I hope we pulled it off and she absolutely loves it. I'm sure she will.
Can't wait to see it and can't wait to show you. Okay, so for the homeowners that are abroad and want something special in such exclusive development, there's a lot of trust that goes into the process. So how has it been with this client? What has the process been? Has it been a smooth transition? Have you had any challenges?
I think from concept to completion, we've had quite a smooth transition. This client has been very easy to work with. And that's always great from our side because it really shows that they trust us, as you say. So
Yeah.
We have ultimately given them what they would like for, you know, living in London.
And that's what they're looking for, and they need a partner to help them achieve that. So I hope they'll be happy when they see it.
Yeah, definitely. We coordinated with our specialist in-house team, such as our decorators, electricians, upholsterers, and our own installation team to help get this job done. Completing everything under one roof really ensures maximum efficiency, and this is what the client values the most, to get the job done.